Wow, Wrigley, you really like that pet salad. Is that delicious? You're gonna finish it. He's gonna devour it. We might as well let him eat as much as he wants. It's just salad. Hey, puppy. Was that delicious? Wrigley. Hey, Wrigley. All done? Wrigley, was that so good? You gonna get something out of the fridge?